Okay, we have a little alley down here beside the southern end of Tackley station. It's another approach to the actual station platform, and I've added one of these concrete lampposts from Woodland Scenics, and looks quite realistic in the dark there. Okay, we've got lighting inside the houses here, which I've done. I've dampened that down a bit using a black felt pen, because basically the light was coming out of the walls. So I had to dampen the light down on there. It was too intensive, it really was. But that's worked out quite well. And to the left there is another Woodland Scenics concrete lamppost with a car just parked underneath there. This is the approach to the level crossing, and as you can see, got the signal box there, which is lit up. Again, I've had to dampen that down. That was with a LED strip, yellow one in there, and right in front of us here is a level crossing warning sign with a light that's overhanging on the sign to illuminate the sign there. I've had to really dampen that down, it was so bright, but seems to have worked. So that's the approach to the level crossing there. Another view here of the Illuminator signal box. Obviously I've got to put some detail in there at some stage. Look good when that's done. Some fittings in there, some switches, etc. So you can get kits now, so I've got to fit that out at some stage. So that's the level crossing and the station. There is also some floodlights there as well, which have wired up. They've been dormant for a while, so they're all wired up now. That illuminates the actual level crossing itself. And then you've got a concrete lamppost from Woodland Scenics again to the left. Okay, here's the entrance to the cement works. So you've got another concrete lamppost from Woodland Scenics there at the entrance. Then you've got a security hut for the barriers there. Again, I've dampened that down, a little LED strip in there which I've dampened down quite a bit. Next is you've got some offices here. Again, I've dampened that down. Got to put some detail in at some stage. And another Woodland Scenics concrete lamppost. Next to that, you've got the weighbridge. Again, LED strip in there, yellow. Dampen that down. Next to that, you've got some offices. Some of the offices are shut, some are open. The lights came with this. I would have preferred a yellow light there, but you had 3 lights. I broke one of them, but you got the entrance light there, and one of the rooms in the office has been occupied there. The rest have closed for the evening. And then you've got another Woodland Scenics concrete lamppost there. The first part of the cement works illuminated inside the works there. Facing forward, you've got this hopper here, which is illuminated. I've dampened this down quite a bit. It was too bright, it's shining right through the plastic here. So basically got a light inside there. As you can see, that illuminates that. Okay, just outside the cement works, where they line the trains up for the approach to the hopper, I've attached these 5 floodlights here overhanging. These are from China, very cheap as well. I've wired these up to illuminate the track outside for nighttime work and operations. Got an engine shed here for the works loco. So that's been illuminated and the lights dampened down using a felt pen here. I've got to tie the wiring up there. At the end, if you wonder what that red light is, it's the buffer at the end towards the quarry. So basically that's all lit up inside there. All of the works have got a double floodlight there. More illuminated buildings. Another Woodland Scenics concrete lamppost there. You've got a ballast train outside just awaiting. Let me give you an aerial view. Here's an aerial view. And up on the chimney stack you have got aircraft warning lights. Let's go out of focus a bit. There you go. So that's the cement works railway sidings there. Got a little social club here at Tackley. I might put some flashing lights in there, disco lights at some stage. Just a yellow LED strip for the time being. Just another shot here with a shunter. It looks quite well in the dark. So all the lights are wired up now, apart from the end of the quarry, which I've got to do some work on there. So eventually, I'm just waiting for a excavator to come out from Oxford die-cast for that section. Just a view from another angle now. There's a little bit of light pollution coming out of the loco works out. I need to resolve that. But the rest is coming on quite well. There's a ballast train down there, if you can spot that. We're just getting prepped for delivery. Okay, this is the Line and the Lamb pub, which is out in the countryside here, the southern end of Ballan Parkway. I've wired these garland lights up around the building, put some internal lights on here. I had these a few years ago, but it was powered by a battery, so I put a resistor on there and it's a lot less bright than it was before. It was too bright, so that's been added there. I'll take you around the back as well. So that's the back end of the Line on the Lamb, the Biergarten. Quite happy with the illumination there, it's come out really well beside the river. You can see it just glistening there in the dark. Okay, we've got a garage scene here about half a mile away from Ballan Parkway station. So I've got the canopy illuminated, which I've rewired again. Got a totem here with period writing on green shield stamps, we can make that out. And BP. That's from Layouts for You, I think it is, yes, a few years ago. And then you've got the road lights here, street lights, and which are yellow. And then you've got the house lights inside there, like a suburban area. Had to dampen those down again. Again, round the back, all the lights are on. That's not a fire, what it is in a way, got a little barbecue that's been left on there, which is flickering. A nice little scene, I think, there, nighttime scene.